My experience background, I am working in Mercedes-Benz dealership since 2003 in UAE till 2018. So before I come to like external garage in the market, my whole experience from dealer. So when I start my job here in Fusion Auto Concept, I try to shift that experience, which one I learned for that 15 years, that standard of business, I try my best to shift it to my business, my current business now. So in the beginning, it was difficult to me to implement all the system in average level of company, So if we compare our business to a dealer, it's a little bit far. So this is my challenge. It was to try to make organization and to have something to organize this business. It was my challenge. So when I meet you, to be honest, this is honesty, okay? And when you launch your system to us during the meeting here in Abu Dhabi, then I found something I can implement here like a dealer organization. Your system gave me that feel, I can do what I was searching for. So GaragePlug, when I really found it, I said, this is the system, it will help me to do what I was looking for. So this is the briefing about the GaragePlug. So based on my experience and dealer, and dealer was using, I don't know if I can say the name, Autoline, the garage. So this is a very huge system. Believe me, when I found GaragePlug, your system, there is a lot of feature. I found it to make our business well organized.